it makes decision making so much easier in the future. When you're faced with a problem, which answer aligns with your goals? But if you don't know what the goal is, if you don't know what the mission is, or the corporate culture that you're trying to develop within the firm, how how do you solve the problems without knowing that? So aligning everybody's goals and making sure that everyone on the team is aware of those goals would go a long way in providing a more inclusive environment.
If you could say anything to our audience, let's pretend that your bosses aren't going to watch this.
Oh no.
No, but if what are your sort of best tips for support staff? And what are your best tips for lawyers? Because there's always there's someone like you who are trying to keep them together, right? You're the hub. So you're the control tower. How are you directing that traffic? What's your best advice to both legal assistants and lawyers?
I think first I would say know that the people around you are doing the very best that they can. They're trying to ensure that the clients are looked after, and they're trying to do a really good job at that. Lawyers as well. I think we're all just trying to do the best that we can. So I think if you start from that place, give people the benefit of the doubt. I don't think anybody's intentionally trying to sabotage anything, or they're certainly not intentionally making mistakes.